Hi, I'm Ryan from Foxtecc. Today, I'm going to show you how to easily access and manage your files on an iPad. Whether they're stored locally, in the cloud, or sent via email or messaging apps, I'll guide you through the different ways to find and open them. To start, the easiest way to access most of your files is through the Files app. This app is your central hub for viewing files stored on your iPad and in iCloud. If you don't have it, you can download it from the App Store for free. If you prefer not to use the Files app, cloud storage apps like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive are great alternatives. These let you access your files from anywhere with an internet connection. Sometimes you can access files directly through the app that created or imported them. For example, images are best viewed in the Photos app, and documents can be opened directly in Pages or similar apps. If you receive a file via email, you can open it straight from the Mail app without moving it to Files first. Similarly, files downloaded from Safari can be found in the Download section of Safari or within the appropriate app. Lastly, files sent through messaging apps like iMessage can be accessed within the app. You can also save them to a different location, like Photos or a cloud service. So, as you can see, there are plenty of ways to access files on your iPad, depending on where they're stored or how they were sent. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. See you guys later.